middle, number 13.
Punch bowl and cups.
Punch bowl, boy. Let's see if we can get some punch under 22.
Video camera.
Ooh.
No. Bill.
Okay, let's try number 11, Alex.
Green take.
And number 2.
Wild card, so you're going to get the green take out of it. Boy, you've come up with a lot of wild card discoveries over the past few days. The other green take on the board at number 18. Here it is for insurance purposes later on. 3 doors swinging open for your benefit. Showing just a little smattering of pieces of this puzzle. Not enough, I don't think.
Not enough.
Go again.
Number 20, please, Alex.
Diamond watch collection.
I like those diamonds. Let's go to number 23.
Deluxe carpet cleaner.
D, I thought.
Yeah. Gigi?
Okay, how about Hawaii under 19?
Wild card.
Number 5.
Number 5 for Hawaii. He found a wild card. Why can't she?
Right.
The other Honolulu, Hawaii vacation is on the top line at number 3. Let's open these doors, shall we? Bill keeps looking over to your prize column, Susie. He's got that green take. It's very, very early in the first game, and already he's looking over there saying, hey, she's got something good. Hawaii, I can grab that.
Matches coming then.
You bet.
Number 21.
Red take.
Okay, how about number 1?
Nope, 10 speed bikes for 2. Bill.
Number 15, please, Alex.
Wild card.
Where were you when I needed you? Hawaii's gone. Number 16.
16 is a trash compactor. The other trash compactor is on the board at number 7. You can use your take now. The red one is still on the board, as you know.
Not yet, not yet.
No?
Not yet.
All right, 3 doors opening for Bill. Select again.
Number 24, please.
Marble table lamps.
And number 4.
No, that's the deluxe carpet cleaner, which we have seen before, haven't we, Gigi?
Number 17, maybe. It might be under there.
No.
10 speed.
Well,
Okay.
we've seen those before.
Number 6?
No.
No.
Bill.
Number 4, please.
Right?
And number 22.
No, wrong.
Okay.
Gigi?
Number 20?
No. Diamond watch collection.
Okay, how about number 4?
No, that's the deluxe carpet cleaner. Bill?
Number 17.
No.
And number 1.
Ah, yes. That's a match. Want to use the take?
Not yet, Alex.
All right. Let's swing 2 panels open for Bill Force. Pick again.
Number 8, please. And number 21.
21, no. That's the red take. Gigi.
Number 22, I think the video camera.
Yes.
Number 8.
You are right. A match for you. Another chance to solve the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 14.
Diamond watch collection.
Number 20.
Diamond watch collection. Yes. Now you're getting it together.
Okay.
2 more doors opening. Pick again.
Number 21.
Red take.
Number 10.
No. Punch bowl and cups. Bill.
Number 24, please.
Marble table lamps.
Number 12.
Marble table lamps. Will work for you. What do you want to do with the take?
There's still a take out there. I think I better take it out. I want the Hawaiian trip.
The Hawaiian holiday. Give it to Bill. Even though Gigi really wants it.
I know.
Open these 2 doors for Bill. Go again.
Number 9. And number 21.
21 gives you the red take. You are right. There are no more takes up there. Behind me, I see the video camera and the his and her diamond watches.
Video camera, please, Alex.
All right, video camera coming Bill's way as well, and 2 more doors swinging open for his benefit.
Alex, is it cat and mouse game?
Cat and mouse game, says Bill Fours, and he is correct, of course.
Yes.
Come on. Kind of like a cat and mouse game, this particular one. Do it.
All right, up here we have the K plus the arrow pointing to the hat down here, and then the hand over here, the M plus the house, and the G plus the word aim for cat and mouse game.
Cat and mouse game, well played. Teacher's handling himself well under pressure here. And you have just handed Gigi her first strike, and that means game number 2 today will be most important for each of you. Will have 1 strike against you. Gigi, we'll see you in that one in a little bit. Right now, Bill, let's listen to Gene describe your new winnings.
10 speed bikes for 2, marble table lamps, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select marble table lamps or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and a trash compactor, Whirlpool's Trash Master Compactor, with automatic deodorizing system and touch-toe drawer opener, furnished by Whirlpool, and a video camera, Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features including 8:1 power zoom and low light sensitivity, furnished by Samsung Electronics, and of course, beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. And Bill, when you hear what these prizes are worth, you're gonna look like the cat that swallowed the rat. These prizes are worth $5,613.
Wow, indeed. Over $5,000 and another chance to win a brand new car after this. If you can do it this time, 15 numbered squares going up on the screen and the clock showing 50 seconds. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
10, 3,
Yes.
11, 12,
No.
4, 12,
No.
6, 14,
No.
4, 14,
Right?
7, 15,
No.
13, 6,
No.
12, 1,
Yeah.
5, lost it, 9,
No.
8, 6,
No.
7,
Kind of lost it right in the middle there. You were right in assessing yourself that way. I think sometimes what you should do is just call out those numbers. You're taking these long pauses and thinking about it a little too long, and you're wasting precious seconds. But if you get back up here, you'll have 55 seconds, and maybe you'll be able to do it in that time. $8,860 in prizes for you so far, and you'll get to play again against Gigi after this. I can tell you now, I have just gotten a look at the puzzle for this upcoming game, and it is tough. It is tough, and you will have just 1 wild card to assist you, but we've added some great prizes. Take a look over here, and we will show you one of them.
Or Fours, Intermezzo's suite of stemware, award-winning sleek design with cobalt blue teardrops suspended in each stem. Furnished by Or Fours. Alex.
And we will show you where you can find that on the board. It is hiding behind number 6, the crystal stemware. We also have the 5 bonus car seconds in this game. Cash pot is now up to $900. And we have an Arizona golf and tennis vacation for you. Your choice. And Gigi, you get to go first again.
Okay, let's look for that trip under 23.
Green take.
How about number 9?
200 California lottery tickets. No match. Bill.
number 5, please, Alex.
Arizona golf and tennis resort vacation.
Sure, number 16, please.
Living
Not
room
quite.
ensemble. No match. Gigi.
Okay, let's see what's under number 7.
Cash
Cash
pot.
pot. 20.
200 California lottery tickets.
Number
Got
9, please,
excited
Alex.
over that. Number 9, he says.
And
for
number
the-
20.
For the lottery tickets and the match at number 20. And that's good for Bill, and he gets a look at the puzzle.
I won't do it to you. Number 25.
Arizona golf and tennis resort.
Number 5, please.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You were a little confused because that seems to be one of your favorite numbers.
Yes.
And you go to it quite often. Open it up again. Pick again.
Number 2, please.
Sports video library.
Number 22, please.
No, crystal stemware there. We have seen that.
Number 6 for the stemware.
Right.
Number 22 for the match.
There's a combination that works for Gigi Neal. The prize goes up there, and down here, 2 doors will swing open for the lady.
How about number 1, please?
Red take.
Number 23?
Green take. No match. Bill?
Number 21, please, Alex.
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
Number 15, please.
No. Living
not
room
quite.
ensemble.
Number 16 for that living room ensemble?
Yep.
Number 15.
15 is right. 2 prizes for each of our contestants as we reveal 2 more pieces of the puzzle. Go again.
Number 3, please.
High-tech binoculars.
How about number 8?
Green take. No match. Bill?
Number 11, please.
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
And number 3.
No. High-tech binoculars. Yeah. Gigi?
Number 1, I think the green take under there. No,
No,
red
red
take. 17.
No, oak and brass bar. Bill?
Number 14, please, Alex.
Red take.
And number 1.
Red take. Why are you looking at what you've got on your side as well as
Just
what
checking,
she's
just
got on
checking.
hers? You can't take from yourself. You want to grab anything?
No, not yet, Alex.
Not yet. Not yet, he says. 2 more doors will open for him.
Number 3, please.
High-tech binoculars. We're back to that.
Number 24, please.
Obviously, there's something you want to see. 5 bonus car seconds. Gigi.
Number 2, please.
Sports video library.
How about number 21 for the match?
Diamond and amethyst earrings. Back to Bill.
Number 23, please.
Green take.
And number 4, please.
No. Oak and brass bar.
How about number 17 for that brass bar?
Yeah.
Number 4, please.
Number 4 is a match. Combination that works for Gigi and earns her another look at the puzzle.
How about number 11?
Diamond and amethyst earrings.
And 21 for the match.
Yes, combination works again, and you get another look at the puzzle.
Eight. Number 23 for the match.
Now, each of our players has a take. Strategy is going to be very important here. If you take it now, you could lose it in a few moments. It has to depend on how confident you feel in terms of solving the puzzle.
I think I'm going to take his trip as he took mine.
All right, grab the vacation. The Arizona golf and tennis vacation goes over to Gigi's side, and down here we'll show her 2 pieces of the puzzle. Select again, Gigi.
Number 3, please.
High-tech binoculars.
Number 19, please.
Sports video library. Didn't work for you? Well, let's go over to Bill.
Number 2, please, Alex. And number 19.
Number 2 and 19 matches, and you can use your take to grab the vacation back, or you can wait a little bit.
I think we better take the vacation now.
All right.
Can't lose
Arizona
it. Can't
golf and
lose it.
tennis resort vacation going back to Bill's side, and 2 more doors opening up, this time for his benefit. Select again.
Number 13, please, Alex.
Cash pot.
And number 7, please. Yes.
Cash pot. You are right now, Bill, in extremely good shape because we're going to open these 2 doors, and then we're going to be left with 5 pieces of the puzzle. And what 5 pieces of the puzzle means is that we had a wild card up there, but we're out of time, so get your hands ready to ring in. We're going to start revealing with number 3, then 10, then 12, then 18, then 24. Remember, I said this was a tough puzzle. We have symbols here that are covering 2 words. Bill.
Make the most of it.
Make the most of it, he says. And Bill has done exactly that to win the game and the match. Come on, Bill. Well done. Do it.
Okay, up here we have the month of May plus K for make, and then the thumb hose, thumose, and the dove, thumose, dove, and the hit for the most of it. Make the most of it.
Make the most of it, and that's what you're doing. And the pressure seems to be getting to you just a little, Bill. Gigi, sorry about that. Your second strike, which means goodbye, but we've got some party gifts for you backstage. So long. Take care. All right, Bill. More prizes coming your way. Good ones, too. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $900, 200 California lottery tickets, and a sports video library. A collection of action-packed videos featuring the NFL's most unforgettable moments, explosive footage from Super Bowls to highlights, bloopers and follies furnished by NFL Films Video, and an Arizona golf and tennis resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Phoenix. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Registry Resort Scottsdale. Nestled in the awe-inspiring Arizona landscape, features golf, tennis, and over 300 elegantly appointed rooms. Furnished by the Registry Resort. And Bill, you have a prize package totaling $3,318.
And he's going to try again for the cars with almost a minute on the clock after this.
We're making this now.
Here are the 15 numbered squares, and Bill has 55 seconds in which to win a brand new car. Good luck, Bill. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 9,
No.
1, 9,
Right.
10, 2,
No.
3, 11,
Yes.
12, 4,
No.
13, 6,
Right.
14, 5,
No.
15, 5,
Right.
12, 8,
No.
7, 2,
No.
12, 2,
Yes.
10, 14,
No.
8, 4,
Yes.
7, 10,
No.
7, 14.
Yeah. That's it. Congratulations. I figured you'd do it today. Gene, tell them about this car.
Bill, you just won this Toyota Tercel 4-door sedan. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and parents package. Furnished by Toyota, a prize worth over $8,500.
Which means you're leaving Classic Concentration with $20,706 in prizes. Congratulations. I hope we'll see you as a teacher in Southern California next year. We'll take a break right after we hear this word from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Patty O'Neill American Fashions for all the world to see. Elegant, beautiful, head-turning designer dresses, always in fashion, furnished by Patty O'Neill. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Why?
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.